Kung dumidilaw na rin ang headlights ng sasakyan mo kagaya nito at gusto mong gumastos ng mas mura kaysa bumili ng bagong headlight, sa video na ito ipapakita ko kung paano ko ni-restore ang headlights ng aking Toyota Vios gamit lang ang DIY headlight restoration kit. Tingnan natin kung legit ba talaga ang resulta. Hello guys, EdsFix here at ngayon magre-restore tayo ng headlights ng sasakyan natin. Napansin ko kasi na medyo naninilaw na ang ilaw kaya medyo pangit na tignan at medyo humihina na rin ang buga ng ilaw sa gabi. Kaya tara, samahan nyo akong i-DIY ito. Ito ang nabili kong headlight restoration kit sa online. Kasama na rito ang vaporer, restoration liquid, sandpaper at masking tape. Complete package na siya kaya trabaho na lang talaga ang kailangan. Ang unang step ay i-mask muna natin ang paligid ng headlight para hindi magasgasan ang pintura. Pagkatapos nito, sisimulan na nating lihain. 800 grit muna ang gagamitin natin para matanggal ang oxidation o yung paninilaw ng headlight. Siguraduhin lang na basa ang liha habang nagsasanding.
Had a dream, I was water just flowing through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What if grass smell green and the air feels safe? Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now it's just still.
Kapag pantay na ang pagkamat ng buong headlight, lilipat naman tayo sa 1-2 grit. Ito ang magpapakinis sa mga gasgas na iniwan ng 800 grit. Mas maganda sana kung meron tayong 1.5 o hanggang 3,000 grit para mas pino ang finish. Pero dahil hanggang 1,200 grit lang ang kasama sa kit, ito muna ang gagamitin natin.
Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on free. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts.
Pagkatapos lihain, banlawan natin ang headlight at patuyuin ng mabuti. Habang naghihintay, isa-set up na rin natin ang vaporer. Ang power source nito ay cigarette lighter socket kaya kailangan nating paandarin ang sasakyan habang ginagamit ito. Reminder lang guys, gamitin ito sa open area o well ventilated na lugar dahil malakas ang amoy ng solution. Ngayon gamitin na natin ang vaporer. Huwag lang masyadong ilapit sa headlight at tuloy-tuloy lang ang galaw para pantay ang finish. Tingnan natin ang magiging resulta.
The sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking the truth. Ain't no X's in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in the vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's the thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest.
Ang ganda ng naging outcome ng unang headlight, kaya tapusin na rin natin ang kabilang side.
Be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Where the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
us and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we
At ayan guys, tapos na. Sa tingin ko, sulit na sulit itong DIY headlight restoration kit. Malaki ang ipinagbago kumpara sa dati. Mas malinaw na ang headlight at mas bago na ulit tignan ang harapan ng sasakyan. Honest review, para sa akin legit naman ang restoration kit. Hindi man siya perpekto pero sobrang laki ng improvement. Kung gusto mong makatipid at willing kang maglaan ng konting oras, magandang opsyon talaga ito. Kung natatakot kang subukan ang DIY, sana makatulong ang video na ito para magkaroon ka ng idea kung paano ito gawin. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung may mga tanong kayo tungkol sa proseso, comment lang kayo sa baba at sasagutin ko hanggat kaya. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, don't forget to like, share and subscribe sa Ed's Fix para mas marami pang DIY tutorials.
when our promises worth, ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain, ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we go ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm shooting.